Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful loose messy braid hairstyle. The hair can be either curly or straight, it doesn't really matter for this hairstyle. So first of all we're just going to grab the crown section of hair and split this into two sections. Then loosely wrap this around each other all the way to the end and secure with a clear elastic band. Next, take all the hair that's remaining from the right hand side from the ear upwards, and we're going to repeat the same steps. So just split it in two and loosely wrap this around each other and secure with another clear elastic band. And we're just going to do exactly the same on the left hand section, so take all the hair from the ear upwards and repeat the same steps as before. Now working on the hair underneath, we're going to do exactly the same, so we need to split the bottom section into three and create three more loose twists. Take that first crown section and grab hold of it, give it a twist and push it upwards to create a bit of volume. Then just pin this to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Next, take that right hand section from the top and bring it up and over the middle section, and again secure to the head with a few bobby pins. And then just repeat that on the left hand side. So take that top left hand twist, bring it to the middle of the head just under that previous twist, and again pin with a few more bobby pins. Next we're going to pull apart these twists a little bit, so just use your finger and thumb just to gently tease them out to make them a little bit more messy. Next, take that twist from the right hand side and pull it through a section of that middle twist. So just create a little hole with your fingers and pull it through. You can pin this to the head if you need to. Now take the braid on the left hand side and we're going to do the same. So if it's coming a bit loose, just twist it as you go. And then we're just going to pin that to the head towards the middle. Now, depending on the length of your model's hair, This is all really done by eye, so all I'm doing is weaving those 3 twists into each other. So I'm just making a little hole and passing each twist through, just so you can't really see where one starts and where one finishes. Once all your braids are intertwined, remove any of the elastic bands that are a bit too low and secure everything together with another clear elastic band. Spend a few minutes just pulling at those twists just to make everything nice and voluminous. And I've just curled the ends of the hair slightly just so it matches the rest of the hairstyle. To make that bottom section a little fuller, you can tease it with a comb and add a little bit of texture spray. Next, pinch and pull at the crown area just to loosen everything up a little bit. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.